Any variable raised to 0 or any number beside 0 raised to 0 is equal 1. Remember, a cannot be 0, okay? We cannot raise 0 to 0 power. 4 to 0 power, according to the rule, is equal 1. Negative 8 raised to power 0 is equal also 1. Let's take a look at the third example. I have 10 plus y squared, okay? Now, because y is raised to the second power, this expression is never going to be equal 0. So, this expression raised to 0 is going to give me 1. According to the rule, a to 0 is equal 1. This is the solution to the problem.